Baby backs. Ooh, this is so soft. All right, I ain't taking no membrane off. Score this back. Turn it around, give it a diamond pattern. We're gonna take some of it off. Take those ends off on here. Take that little edge off. Boom. Boom, like you get them at the restaurant. All right, let's get them seasoned up. All right, we're gonna make a super quick marinade on these. We're gonna use the same thing they use in what people rave about in salad dressing marinades. It ain't nothing but a little vinegar. The vinegar's gonna tenderize it. I'm gonna throw some limes up in here. Add some citrus flavor here. Right, get it all mixed up here. Got us a little all-purpose seasoning. Got us a Lawry's knockoff today. I wanted to test it out. This the Padilla all-purpose season salt. So I wanted to see what it's about. See if I'm gonna buy this because it's a little cheaper. If it ain't hitting like that Lawry's, you gotta go back to the Lawry's. A little dill here. Pepper. Yeah, you know, we're making real conservative seasoning right here. See how that look, y'all? Alright, check this out. We're gonna go ahead and let this sit for a while, let that pit come up to temp. I'm gonna do about 275 today. No, I think I might say about 250. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We're only gonna let these sit on the smoker for about 2 hours, then we're gonna wrap it up for about an hour and a half. They get super tender. Ooh, we put it off the bone. Probably make me an old classic big rib sandwich. All right, y'all. Man. Looking gorgeous and smelling gorgeous. Let's give these 2 hours to do their thing. We'll be back to wrap. All right, y'all, we're at the 2 hour mark. Them are gonna come off and we're gonna wrap them. Man, that's beautiful. Butter and maple, y'all. Butter and maple. Let me hear meat side down. All right, we're gonna get about an hour and a half. Baby backs. Ooh, this is so soft. Let me see. Oh man, that's fall off the bone. That is fall off the bone. Let me go make me a sandwich out of this. Make me a rib sandwich. Y'all see how I just pulled them bones out? Just snatched them bones out. It made me a boneless rib just like that. Throw a little pickles on here. Little onions on there. Got this famous Dave's Chipotle sauce. Barbecue smoked rib sandwich. Tender. Y'all saw how we did it. 2 hours on the smoker. Went on here and wrapped it for about an hour. Let it sit, rest. I did tack some barbecue sauce on there for like 10 minutes. Appreciate y'all. Let's finish eating up. Y'all keep on watching. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. Much love and appreciation. Peace.